This is a video about how staff would use the GoMath Think Central website. So you're going to start at one of the school web pages. Here I'm at Northport Middle School. I come over to the Staff tab and I go down to GoMath Think Central. Brings me to this login screen. I go ahead and fill in my username and password, and then I click Login. And this is the page it will typically bring you to. Now, if you want to see all of your resources right away, you just click on this word resources here, and it's going to give you all the resources available to you according to which grades you've been assigned. Now, this teacher has been assigned grades 3 through 8, so there's a lot of stuff here. You can filter it up here. So I'm going to choose only mathematics, and I'll choose only grade 3. Okay, so that has filtered a lot of the items away. Now, you will sometimes get a grade above and below as well, but this looks like mostly grade 3 stuff here. Now you have to go through and read these cryptic names. Down at the bottom is typically the Spanish version. But if we look in here, the Standards Practice Book, that would be the book that students typically use for homework. So this SE is the Student Edition, grade 3, Standards Practice. That's their homework book. And this would be the Teacher's Edition, which just has the answers in it. The Reteach book would be more remedial. Here's your Student Edition and Teacher Edition. The Enrich book is right here, Student Edition, Teacher Edition, and this would be the Assessment Guide, Student and Teacher Edition. So if I want to go into the Enrichment book, Student Edition, I would click on this. Okay, so this is the online version of the hardcover book. So usually would start at the table of contents. I would click here and I would find the chapter I'm looking for. So let's say I wanted chapter 3. Let's go to the next page up here. And I want to work on multiplication by arrangement. So these are all hyperlinks, even though they're not blue. You can click on them. It will take you to that. And from here you can print it out by clicking on this icon right here. Tell it what pages you want. You can print a range of pages here. I click print here. It will take me to my local printer, and then I can continue printing from there. Table of contents brings me back here. And this brings me back to all of my resources. So that is how you access the resources for the GoMath Think Central website.